Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel Yummy Homemade. How are you all? Today I'm going to show you a fresh river barb fish recipe. I will show you step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. First, I'm marinating the fish with salt and turmeric. Guys, I have bought this fresh fish from a local market today. It's very fresh. This recipe is very tasty with rice and fried rice. I added little oil and I'm going to mix everything. Now heat a pan and pour cooking oil. Fry all the fish on it. Flip all of it and fry until golden brown. Meanwhile, I have chopped some onions and green chili. Fishes are done frying. We will use the same frying oil. I'm adding all chopped onions and green chilies. I will be frying it until brown color. Add salt to it. Now add sliced green chilies. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare some chives for this recipe. Cut chives this way. Onions turn in brown color, so I added chives. Stir and mix it. Add ginger garlic paste when your chives get little soft. Stir it until the raw flavor goes away. Now add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Stir a little and add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon fried cumin seed powder. Mix it and stir it. Then pour some water. Before I forget, let me know where are you watching us from? I want to thank you all. Let me know in the comment. The gravy is get thickened now, so I will add all fried fishes on it. Guys, this recipe is very yummy. You can cook any fish with the same process. Add some water and cook 4 to 5 minutes. fish is cooking and I have already chopped some cilantro. I'm adding cilantro. It will give you a beautiful flavor. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add some semi-sliced green chili for nice flavor. Cook another 1 minute and done. Wow! I am getting the delicious aroma from the pan. It looks so yummy and flavorful. Try it at home with any fish and let me know in a comment. I will love to know. Let me know how you cook fish at your home. Share the recipe with us. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Stay connected with Yummy Homemade. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.